Hi, I'm Judith. I'm the CEO and founder of Nova, and I'm the inventor of the world's first audio earrings.
Hi, I'm Vlad, and I'm a developer for electronics since almost 30 years now.
I love to stay in touch with friends and family, but there are no earphones that I can wear all day long. We merged fashion and technology to bring you the world's first audio earrings. With the real pearl and a silver clip, we deliver music, voice assistants, and phone calls wherever, whenever, always.
With a relative small team, but very strong, I calculated over 100 years cumulative experience on both R&D and manufacturing. We've been able to build different generations of form factor prototypes, all very nice working. And with every single iteration, we've been able also to make them smaller, to improve the performance in Bluetooth and audio, up to the level we're in now, where we can actually production and certifications.
And for this, we need your support. Join us now on Kickstarter to be part of our journey towards delivering the world's first audio earrings.